Welcome to this course where we will create a 2D action game with Unity. My name is Gianni Dantas and I will be your instructor for this course. One of the most popular games out there will be action games, where we can find games like Enter the Gungeon or Soul Knight. In this case, we're going to take inspiration from Soul Knight to create our own 2D action game with Unity. This course will go from the most basic in terms of player movement, creating simple systems, to the most complex mechanics, creating our artificial intelligence and combat systems. In the first and second sections, we will focus on creating our player, where we can move the player, create configuration files for different players in the game, among other things. We will continue with the creation of our dungeons, where we can create custom rooms using templates. And then, we will generate our dungeons using our prefabs to create our levels. Then, we will continue with the creation of our weapons. We can equip weapons, change weapons, and also collect weapons from chests. In the following sections, we will create our pickable objects, where we can collect items such as weapons to be able to equip them. We will continue with the creation of our main scene, which will act as a lobby where we can choose the character we want to use. Later, we will create our enemies with our state-based artificial intelligence system. We can create different states such as wonder, attack, and we will also have the possibility of creating actions and decisions. To finish this course, we're going to add more logic to our gameplay by completing the rooms by creating chests in the scene, creating bonuses, and at the end, we can create our final bosses using a new attack system using patterns. If you are passionate about video game development and want to learn how to create an action game, this is the course for you.